So, in your experience with continuous improvement,
Mm.
what are the three main primary challenges that you feel is still there in adopting AI solutions in already established organizations?
Continuous improvement means continuously doing.
Mm-hmm,
Continue. Most organizations think they're doing continuous, but usually they do something and they stop.
mm-hmm,
And over time, there are three elements which I teach people. Yeah, three elements:
mm-hmm.
cost multiplied by value divided by time. Let's keep it simple. If your
Okay.
cost and value today is perfect, that means you're selling something for $1 and your value is so good, customers buy. It means your cost is good, the value is good today. Will you
Mm-hmm.
keep the same recipe of making a cake or something for the next 20 years? No, the cost will slowly go up and you will try to save money, your value will slowly come down. So over time, nothing stays the same.
Mm-hmm.
Even machines slowly start to wear out. People start to get old or tired or demoted. Nothing stays the same. Cost against value over time has to be maintained continuously. So this
Mm-hmm.
company, which is making products for a long time, good. Whatever they made, they were maybe number one in the world. They continuously have to make new products, which adds new value and try to justify at a certain price. If not, nobody will buy. Over
Right.
time, over time. The three things, Pinjali, remember this and teach your students as well.
Okay.
Cost, value, over time.
Right.
If cost and value are the same, over time it doesn't change, it collapses. If cost goes up, value the same, over time it collapses.
Mm-hmm.
Cost the same, value goes down, over time it collapses.